In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments to Webflow. By the end, you'll have the PayPal app connected to your Webflow workspace, and you'll be ready to start accepting payments through your site. First, head to your Webflow account and open your Sites area so you can see the projects in your workspace. From there, go into your dashboard. This is where you manage settings that apply across your workspace and sites, including apps and integrations. Next, open Apps and Integrations. This is the section where Webflow lets you extend functionality with official apps. Click. Manage to view the apps connected to your workspace and to add new ones. Choose Find an app to open the Webflow Apps Marketplace. In the search bar, type PayPal. Look for the official PayPal app listing and select it. On the app page, review the overview so you understand what the integration does and what permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Install App. Webflow will display an authorization screen asking you to confirm access for the app. This allows PayPal to connect securely to your Webflow workspace. Click to continue, and then choose Authorize App. If you manage multiple sites or workspaces, make sure you're authorizing the correct one before you proceed. After authorization, you'll see the prompt to connect with PayPal. Click that to begin linking your PayPal account. You'll land on a page noting that it's free to connect, whether you already have a PayPal account or you're creating a new one. Continue from this page to move into the PayPal flow. On the first PayPal screen, enter the email you use for PayPal or the email you plan to use for a new account. Select your country or region so PayPal can apply the right settings for your location, currency, and compliance requirements. Then click Next to proceed. From here, simply follow the on-screen steps in PayPal to complete setup. Depending on your account status, PayPal may ask for basic business details and to confirm ownership. Take a moment to ensure the email and region are correct, since those affect payouts and availability. If you're connecting an existing PayPal business account, make sure it's verified to avoid payout delays. If you're creating a new account, keep your business information handy to speed things up. Once PayPal confirms the connection, you'll be returned to Webflow, and the PayPal app will show as connected. That's it. Your Webflow workspace is now linked to PayPal, and you're set up to add PayPal payments to your site's checkout or components supported